Hello, in front of me I've got Polaroid P3. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the speaker. Right here we've got the power, play, pause button. Next we've got the previous song and the next song buttons. Here we've got the knob, thanks to which we can change volume of the speaker. And here we've got the Your Music button. Press this button to switch to your favorite music. Next we've got like, dislike button. Press G button to like and long press this button to dislike. In the end we've got the Bluetooth pairing mode and stereo pairing button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.